In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide map in Strava app. If you share runs, rides, or walks on Strava but don't want your route lines visible to others, this setting lets you keep your map completely private while still recording your activities. It's especially helpful if your routes start near home or work, or if you simply prefer not to share detailed location paths. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the main screen, look toward the top and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your profile area where all of your personal settings live. Next, find and tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens your account and app preferences. In settings, select privacy controls. Strava groups all privacy-related options here so you can quickly manage who sees what. Inside privacy controls, tap Map Visibility. This section controls how your activity routes are displayed to others. Now look for the last option in the list, labeled Hide Your Activity Maps from Others Completely. This is the most restrictive setting and ensures your route lines aren't shown to anyone else on Strava. Go ahead and tap that option, then use the toggle bar to turn it on. When the toggle is on, Strava will apply this preference to your activities so other users won't see your maps. You should notice the toggle change appearance to indicate it's enabled, and your selection is saved automatically. With this setting on, your activity maps are hidden from others, but you can still see your own routes when you open an activity. Your distance, time, and other stats can still appear according to your broader privacy choices, but the map line itself won't be visible to other people. This strikes a good balance between sharing performance and protecting your location details. If your screen layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Menu names may vary a bit by device or app version, but the path is the same. Profile, settings, privacy controls, map visibility, then choose the last option and turn on the toggle. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle off. That's all you need to do to hide your activity maps in the Strava app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more confident about your location privacy while still enjoying your training and tracking.